Looking for a fun way to boost your child's spelling and letter recognition skills? The Orchard Toys spelling game is perfect for children aged 4 and up. This eco-friendly game features sturdy, wipe-clean boards and letter cards, making learning enjoyable and mess-free. With simple matching activities or more advanced spelling challenges, it helps little learners develop their language abilities, memory, and phonetic skills. It's a fantastic educational toy for 1 to 4 players. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the comment. Discover the magic of learning with Skillmatics I Can Write, featuring enchanting Disney princess-themed activity mats. This set includes 6 double-sided reusable mats, 2 dry erase markers, a cloth for erasing, and a special achievement certificate. Perfect for children aged 3 to 6, it helps develop writing, number recognition, and creative thinking through fun, colorful activities. Designed by GeoU and Play experts, it's an engaging one. Promotes screen-free learning and imagination. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the ADUSRIZ Journal Kit, the perfect creative companion for kids and parents alike. This 2-in-1 set includes 2 beautifully designed journals filled with 80 pages each, along with dozens of colorful accessories like pens, stickers, stamps, and decorative tapes. It's ideal for capturing special memories, expressing feelings, and sparking creativity. Watch imaginations flourish as children decorate, paste photos, and personalize their journals. It's thoughtful gift for girls aged 8 to 14. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Maxmoc magnetic letters, a fun and safe way to help children learn the alphabet. This set includes 26 large uppercase magnetic letters stored in a charming animal-themed drawstring cloth bag. Made from premium, non-toxic materials with rounded edges, these magnets are safe for kids. Their full magnetic backing ensures they stay securely on metal surfaces like refrigerators and magnetic boards. Perfect for home, school, or day. This educational toy makes learning and decorating a delightful experience. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a fun way to help children learn how to read and write? The Skillmatics Sentence Builder makes sentence and grammar skills exciting with colorful word tiles and engaging activities. Designed by educators, this set boosts vocabulary, grammar, and critical thinking while fostering confidence and creativity. Perfect for children aged 5 to 8, it encourages independent learning and makes a fantastic gift. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Lord C magnetic letters, the perfect educational toy for young learners. Crafted from high-quality, durable, and eco-friendly plastic, these colorful lowercase letters are safe and easy for little hands to hold. They inspire early reading, spelling, and phonics practice, boosting confidence, creativity, and interest in learning. Ideal for fridge fun or classroom activities, these magnetic letters turn learning into an exciting game. You'll find purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the UrBestSelf Gratitude Journal, a wonderful tool to help kids cultivate happiness, positivity, and emotional intelligence. Designed for children aged 6 to 13, this engaging journal encourages daily gratitude, mindful reflection, and resilience. It's perfect for nurturing positive mindset, building confidence, and exploring emotions in a supportive way. Make mental wellness a fun part of their routine and watch them grow braver, more resilient every day. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.